Okay, so today is another video in the 50-week challenge. I'm doing a new dumbbell exercise every week for 50 weeks. Like I've mentioned before, I follow a card deck, and this card deck here, and basically this is 50 cards, so I'm doing a new exercise every week for 50 weeks. Today's exercise, which is not making me happy, is called the jackknife. And the jackknife is an exercise for the core, and I think it's also an exercise for young people because it looks pretty strenuous. So I'm going to do the best I can here at my age of 71. I think that to a certain extent that it's good to see what a 71-year-old man can do instead of always seeing the 20-year-old guys with bulging muscles doing these exercises. It's nice to see somebody who's not overbuilt doing the same exercises. So I'm going to show you a version of the jackknife that I can do, and then we can talk a little bit about that. But if you could do it the proper way, I'll show you what they want you to do. They want you to lift both legs and arms at the same time. You can see how this is not going to happen for me. I'm going to do one leg at a time, and that way I have a little bit more support. I'm going to move the camera back right now. Okay, so we got the dumbbells, and what I'm going to be doing here is a variation. So I'm going to raise my arms and my leg, one leg at a time. And then the other leg. Okay, so I did it on the bench for stability. You did one leg at a time, again for stability. And the whole idea basically is that you're using your stomach muscles, your core muscles, to lift both the arms and the legs at the same time. So it's kind of a leg lift, as well as a upper body crunch combined. So this really works the stomach muscles quite a bit because you're lifting your leg. The hip flexors are also coming into it. The upper abdomen muscles are doing it because we're kind of doing a crunch, and also because of the fact that the arms are reaching for the toes, we're doing some work for the arm muscles at the same time. So a lot of muscles involved with this exercise. The pictures of the exercise have somebody doing this on the floor and lifting both legs at the same time, both hands at the same time, to touch the dumbbells to the feet or to the upper leg, or the lower leg, I should say. So try this at home. Like I said, if you're young and you can do this because you have more strength, feel free. I did the best that I could. I'll see you next week. Hope you're having a good week. Try these exercises as much as you can. Take care.